Good morning, everyone. Muriel here. I just wanted to pop in really quick and share with you a few last minute ideas for Father's Day cards or birthday cards or graduation cards or just celebratory cards. We have had probably 3 to 4 events of those type pop up on us all last week. We were invited to a graduation party. We went to one yesterday, have another one next Friday. We have a friend who has done 25 years of service at work. We have Father's Day and we have a birthday. So I needed quickly to search the craft room to see what I can do really, really quick. So for the young kid whose birthday is today, I thought about coming up with one of these birthday boxes. I'll show this to you. So this was a tissue box that I covered with paper, and I found this idea on Instagram, but you can also search on YouTube and how to make a tissue box, a money box from a tissue box or something of that nature. And there's lots of videos. So this one I saw on Instagram was really quick. I even did mine even quicker. So this was a tissue box that I covered with paper. I could only find this birthday paper. And you can see this is from a paper collection, Hip Hooray, that I used because the wrapping paper met right here, so I just covered it up. I quickly made this bow out of some Hip Hooray paper, and what you do is you pull the bow up and all the money is attached to it, connected by tape. So the young kid is going to love this idea. So that was one thing, took care of him. And then his father's birthday and his grandfather Father's Day. So we're going over there today, and I kept thinking, okay, I need to make a quick masculine card. And lo and behold, this Bo Bunny Charm Chronicles was the perfect kit to pull out. So they give you an example of about 5 cards here, but they do have birthday, congratulations, and there's another one that you could use for those occasions. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, time to celebrate, and congratulations. You get washi strips, you get tape, of course you get some adhesive dots, you get all of these stickers with sentiments on it, and then you get the card bases. So really, really quick. I use that. The guy's birthday, the father, he is turning 49, so I made this card really quick. I just glued some of the stars down, and then these are the Tim Holtz typography. I pulled these out. I was looking for my domino chips and bingo chips, and I couldn't find one in 49. I have 2 jars of chips, and there it was not a 49 in there, so I just pulled this out, Tim Holtz Vault, and put the 49 here. Happy birthday popped up. I used some of the washi, and then wishing you a fantastic day. And then Mia and I will put our sentiment, and then this card is done. And then I whipped up a quick envelope. Ta-da! And that's going to be for the dad. Then his father is Father's Day. Well, of course, his is too, but I'm only acknowledging one father, making one card. So I used this one here. And I saw this idea. I saw something similar on Pinterest, and there was a bow at the end of the circle. And I thought, how cute is that? It really turns it masculine. And then I just put some tape on the side, some of the washi tape on the side. Simply the best. That's it. And here is where the bow came from. This is the Paper Studio. This is from probably 3 clearances ago because I didn't score any this time when I went. So 2018. So perfect. Really made it a little masculine. And then you make the world a better place. Happy Father's Day. These are the stickers from the Tim Holtz collection as well. Let's see, I just put them back here. Well, I guess I thought I did. But you've seen them before. I don't quite know the name of them, but they're perfect for keeping it masculine. So there's that card, and then the envelope. Just trying to use, because they give you, it's a 577 pieces in this box. So, you know, use the stars, use the labels, use the washi tape. So that is that card. And then, unfortunately, I closed up this one here. I'm so sorry. But this is for the friend who is celebrating 25 years of service. And his card is similar to this card. It just says, congratulations. I put a 2-5 over here. Washi tape, same thing. Innocent comment in the inside. Simple. Not innocent, but simple. And that's that. So if you are on the go today and need an idea for a Father's Day card, if you have this kit, pull it out. Oh, I also wanted to show, I use this die here. This is the star die to go under. You can see it. I put it in gold. And I just popped the Simply the Best up with a little foam adhesive. So just wanted to bring out some more of the gold and just really make it as cute as I could. So if you have a card that you need to make in a hurry, this is a wonderful kit. Like I said, there's butterflies in the kit, sending wishes, love, thankful. So it's great, and definitely more on the masculine side. So I appreciate you guys' attention. I hope you guys have a great Father's Day, however you celebrate it today. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.